My name is Catarina Flyborg and I'm leading the business unit Cell and Gene Therapy, which I've been doing for the past year. And have been part of also prior to that, building up the entire team as a commercial leader before that. Yes, as we know, there is a lot of discussions how to distribute this and whether it should be a centralized approach or a decentralized approach with regards to when the patient can get his or her treatment. I think there is a whole host of implication of both of them. I think right now there is somewhere in between being a centralized or decentralized. That is that you would need to have some sort of hub where you have all the knowledge and the technologies in order to actually develop these treatments. Today the actual manufacturing is quite complex, it's quite sophisticated, so you need to have quite a lot of people that is pretty well trained, pretty well educated. In the long term, though, with the development of the technologies and going into more closed and automated setups for the manufacturing platform, that can obviously go to sort of more closer to the patients and to more smaller hubs who can then distribute and arrange the treatments. So I think the driver in this is both the technology, how much you can get it fully automated, and the more fully automated you can get it, the closer to the patient you can get it. I think again, when and where we will be at that point, it's hard to say, but I think everybody is trying to push towards the development to have it relatively decentralized. But to come to a bedside, like the dialysis model, is probably extremely far out. I think the healthcare systems are ready from a medical point of view. I think we have proven now that the science works. I think the healthcare system is not ready from the reimbursement and from the sort of the healthcare financials point of view. There is still a lot to be discussed there, such as how much is it worth if you as a child get the treatment, you can live another 60 years. What is that worth and who should pay that? So I think there is a lot of those questions that is still to be discussed, still to be resolved. But scientifically, we are getting there and we are further along than on the sort of the healthcare policy side.